Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all good, fit, fine and enjoying your day. So, you are farting here? He is farting here. Go, go away. Go. Why are you standing here? Huh? When I make my video, so why are you standing here? Huh?
Because you say, I-
Because
you say.
I'm not saying. You
Oh.
don't. I'm not saying you stay here. I make my video alone. Go. Hey, go. I upload this video. I upload this video. Go. Go. Hey. So guys, Prakhar is go away and now I am talking with you. You know, after 2 week, I'm making my videos. So I feel uncomfortable little bit. You know, I realize one thing. If you learn any language, so you don't procrastinate. One day you make your consistency because I take break. So today I feel very uncomfortable making video. You know guys, if you want to learn anything, so it's take a time. It's not a 1 month. You not be fluent 1 month. It's take a time. Slowly you will learn. So don't afraid about it. And it's you every time treat just language. Means you treat you are learning one language. Okay? And what I speak next, you know, I have not many word. I am like you learner. I have no anyone practice, but I try every time. I try to practice my English. You know, after long time I'm making videos, so I have not too much word. I decide I make everyday video. How I speak, it's not matter, but I speak every day and make my video. So, what I talk about today? So, today I'm practicing my English. One topic. I take one topic. What is your favorite cloth? Which cloth you like most? I like yeah, I like sari. And you? You choose one cloth do you, which you like most, and talk about few line. How you know, then you talk. Okay, so I try to talk a few line on sari. Okay, first, I love sari. I love wearing sari, but a special occasion, not every day. You know, in my village, every woman wear sari every time. Means if they married, so it's compulsory after marriage wear sari. So they do all work. Even I after marriage, 5, yeah, now I am live in city with my husband, but when I live with my large house, so I every time wear sari. Means I when I do kitchen work, then I wear sari. And all thing, when I do all thing, means morning to night I wear sari. So it's very uncomfortable special occasion I like to wear sari. And you know, everyone when everyone wear sari, they look so beautiful. And there are many types sari. Some is cotton sari, some is cotton sari, some is chiffon sari. Means too much variety sari. But I like most silk sari and banarsi sari to wear any function. And daily use sari, in daily use I like to chiffon. It's because it's very soft. And because it's very soft. And when after wearing, I feel very comfortable. So I like too much their saris. And when I visit my village, so I every time I always wear sari. When my baby is very little, so I wear sari. Um, I live with I leave my village. So this thing I used to every time, means when I feed my kids, then I cover with my pallu. So yeah, this is very nice thing. And yeah, you know, first time when I wear sari, so when I walk, when I walk, I feel like I fall down. But slowly I learn, like I am learning English. So when I started, so I feel very uncomfortable, but after 1 month I feel little bit normal. Yeah, so that's too much. I think I talk too much about sari. This is my opinion about sari, and this is my sentences. So how you make your sentences your favorite cloth? So please write comment box. And yeah, okay, bye bye. I will meet you my next video. I am trying to uploading everyday video, because now I'm not procrastinate. Now I'm not think I do next day and next day, because today I feel very uncomfortable, so I try. So okay, bye bye. If I am doing mistakes, so please guys correct me, and yeah, tell me where I do mistakes. Okay, so bye bye.